Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you're all fine and good. Today we'll see in this video. Lovely viewer will see in this video stylish landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas in 2025. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. Today we will see in this video stylish home decorations, designs, garden decorations, ideas, landscaping designs. Many more beautiful ideas we'll explore in this video till the end. Today you will see in this videos attractive and trending modern landscaping ideas, garden decoration designs. These are my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video till the end. We'll see in this video stylish and trending rock stones ideas, pebble stones ideas, landscaping designs. Oh, ये अंधेरियाँ कब तक चलेंगी? These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video till the end. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch my full videos and enjoy any fun, marvelous and stylish and trending creative landscaping ideas. These are my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video till the end. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. We will say this video stylish and trending garden garden decorations ideas, landscaping designs. Many more beautiful ideas all explore in this videos till the end. We will see in this video stylish and trending unique home decorations ideas. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video till the end. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos. We'll see in this video the attractive and trending landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas. मेरे स्टेटस तक देखता मैं तो उसके स्टेटस भी नहीं देखती, मैंने ब्लॉक नहीं किया. We'll see in this video stylish. वैसे भी मेरी आंटी का बेटा था, अम्मी की दूर की कज़न का, मैंने कहा यार क्यों रिश्ते खराब कर रहे हो. I always try to bring. We'll see new attractive and trending pebble stones ideas, rock stone designs. Landscaping designs. I will meet you in next video. So take care, friends.